In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Wave account. Begin by heading to your Wave dashboard. Click on your business name at the top right-hand corner of your screen to open the menu. Under your account name, click on Profile Settings. Before deleting your account, it is essential to download your data export from Wave to preserve your information. If you have not done this, search for a tutorial on how to download data export in Wave to complete this step. Once in the Personal Information section, scroll to the bottom and you will see the Close Your Account section. This section clearly indicates that closing your account will permanently delete all your data and cannot be undone. Click on Close this Wave account. You will then be prompted to select a reason for leaving from a drop-down menu, which is required. You can also provide additional details in the text box if desired. Next, click on Permanently Close all my businesses in Wave. An email will be sent to the email address associated with your Wave account for confirmation. Open the email, click the provided link, and in the final step, click Yes, close my account. Your account will now be permanently deleted, and you will no longer have access to any information in Wave. And this is how you can delete your Wave account.